Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Welcome back to Nagesh Karazgi Orchid School channel. I, Nikita Jadhav, going to teach you social studies for grade 3. Yes children, in the previous session we have learned lesson number 8, our occupation. Our occupation. In our occupation, what we have learned? Yes, what is meant by occupation? Why occupation is necessary? Yes children, why occupation is necessary? Yes, occupation is necessary to earn money. If we earn money, we can fulfill our basic needs. What are the basic needs? That is food, clothing and shelter. If we earn money, then only we can fulfill our basic needs. Yes, am I right? Yes. Then we have learned different types of occupation. Main occupation we have learned. What are the main occupation? Farming. Yes, farming is the main occupation. Yes children, we have learned rearing animals. Even we have learned mining, and even we have learned about how the people they are working in forest, and from where do we get goods, from where do we get goods, and what selling goods and services we are doing in our country, we have learned in this lesson. Now today let us see some question, presentation and animation we are going to see, and some exercise also, some textbook exercise also we are going to solve. Yes children, now I will ask you some question, EQ question, essential question. Now give me the answer. Now children, what is an occupation? What is an occupation? Come on, give me the answer children. Yes, an occupation is nothing but to earn money. An occupation is nothing but to earn money. For what? To live, to earn money, because to live our livelihood life. Because occupation is necessary, because if we do occupation, then only we can fulfill our basic needs. Yes children? Yes. Why occupation is necessary? Your mama and papa is working. Yes, working is nothing but an occupation. If your mama and papa they are working, they are earning the money. With the help of money, you can buy new clothes, you can eat different varieties of dishes. Yeah, where you live in a house. For that, our basic important need, another important need is money. For money, what we have to do? We have to work, and work is nothing but an occupation. Now next question. Why do people need to have an occupation? Yes, why do people need to have an occupation? Yeah, to fulfill their needs. Yeah, as I told you that occupation may be different according to their needs and ability. They can select according to their needs and ability. Yeah, and because we require occupation to earn money, we need to have an occupation to earn money. That's why occupation is necessary. We can choose, we can select an occupation according to our needs, abilities and interest. Now tell me, what are the next third question? What are the different kinds of occupation? Give me answer children. What are the different kinds of occupation? Yes, there is no one occupation. As I told you, your mama, papa can select different types of occupation according to your basic needs. How the peoples they can select, they can choose which type of occupation they want to work. And what are the different kinds of occupation? Can anybody tell, can you give me the answer? Yes? Yes, occupation may be according to their choice. They want to become as a teacher or scientist, doctor, engineer, nurses or carpenter. Some might be want to do the tailoring, or farmer. Farmer is the basic occupation in our India. If there is no farming, what will happen? We will not get food to eat. That's why farming is the main occupation in our India. and even some of them want to work as a laborer, miner, soldier, and even some of the people, they are working in offices too. That's why we can select different kinds of occupation according to our abilities, our choice and our interest. Yes children, now next I will show you some presentation of this lesson. Let's see. Now, as I told you, major occupation of the people in India. What are the major occupation of the people in India? See, what is this in the what is there in this picture? Yes. Give me the answer children. What is there in the picture? Yes. It is farming. Why farming is necessary? As you know, farming is the main occupation of the people in villages. If there is no farming, what will happen? Can we grow the crops? No. Can we get food to eat? No. That's why farming is very important occupation in village as well for our country. Because when farming is there, that time only we can grow crops. We can grow varieties of crops. We can grow food grains, cereal, pulses. That's why farming is the main occupation of us. Again, next picture, after growing fruits, after growing vegetable fruits, where we are buying from? Where we are buying? We are buying from vegetable seller. Where we are buying from? Vegetable seller. And in this picture you can see the people they are doing job, working in offices. Some might be working in a company, some might be working in a bank. That is not known as offices. Yes children, in the next picture what you can see? Can anybody tell? Can you give me the answer? Yes. It is the boy is stitching, the man is stitching a cloth. Well, who is he? He is a tailor. Who is he? He is a tailor. Here you can see what is there? Here it is a mining. What they are doing? They are digging the minerals. Yes. And next picture what you can see? Next picture is of doctor, nurses. Where are they? They are in OT. Yes children, you got major occupation of the people of India. If there is no doctors, what will happen? If we are feeling sick, if we are feeling if we are not well, that time where we go? We go to doctor. That's why doctor is also an important part in our life. Understood children? These are the major occupation of the people of India. Next see, as I told you, farming. Farming is the main occupation for villages as well as for us. Yeah, farming. Farming is the major occupations of the people of India. Yeah, farming is the major occupations of the people of India. As you know, if farming is not there, what will happen? We will not get any food to eat, or we can't get soil, we can't get food grains, pulses, seeds to eat. That's why farming is the major occupation of the people of India. Depending on the soil and the climate of the region. As I told you, we are not having a same climate in our India. We are having 3 different types of climate, as we have discussed in the previous chapter. Also there are 3 types of climate, that is summer, rainy and winter. According to the climate, the soils are growing, but according to the region, which region the soil is famous. Various types of crops, such as what we are growing, various types of crops we are growing, such as food grains, pulses, oilseed, jute, cotton, spices, fruit and vegetables are grown. Such type of crops are grown in the in the farmers. Now as I told you, the crops are depending on the season also, according to the region. In the previous session I told you that a farmer may grow wheat in winter. Farmer, they may grow crops may grow wheat in winter season. Which season? They grow wheat in a winter season, whereas rice in summer season. But they are growing in another farm? No, in the same farm. Why? Because the climates are different. According to the climate, farmers, they are growing the crops. In winter we can grow wheat, and in summer we can grow more rice. Now as you can see how the farmer is plowing the seed, he is watering the plants, and as you can see so many varieties how the crops are grown, vegetables, food, pulses are grown by the farmer. That's why farming is the main occupation of the people in India. If there is no farm, we will not get food to eat. That's why farming is the main occupation. Now next come to rearing animals. Rearing animals is nothing but cattle animals. Cattle animals is nothing but taming animal where we can farm in a farmers. Now you can see cattle farming animal. What is rearing animal? Cattle farming consists of rearing animal. What is rearing animal? Is nothing but a cattle farming. It consists of rearing animal. Like which are the cattle farming animal? Like goats, cows, buffaloes and bullocks. Which are the cattle farming animals? Goats, cows, buffalo and bullocks. Now in the next picture you can see what a man is doing. He is taking out the milk. Why? Milk is necessary for us. Yes, milk is very necessary for us, and even dairy farming is the important occupation in our country. That's why what you can see, dairy farming is an important occupation because milk and milk products are consumed in a great quantity in our country. As you know, in our country there is a lot of in a great quantity we are selling a milk. Why we need milk? Milk is also important for our health. If we don't have a milk to drink, everybody, now children tell me, in the morning when you come to school, are you taking milk? Yes, yeah, you have to take the milk. That's why dairy farming is an important occupation. And from where do we get milk? Yes, we get milk from cow, goat and buffalo. Yes children? Yes. Now next picture is of poultry farming. What is poultry farming? From where do we get poultry? Poultry farming is nothing but poultry farming involves rearing like hens, ducks and geese for their meat and egg. From where do we get eggs? We get eggs from hens, duck and geese. Now some might be eating eggs. Yeah. Yes, eggs is also necessary for our health. From eggs we get proteins. Yeah, some might be eating or some might be not eating. But it is not compulsory that you have to eat an egg. But milk you have to drink daily. Now next is fishing. Fishes are sometimes reared in big tanks. This is known as fish farming. As we have learned in the previous session that what is meant by fish farming, where the fishes are stored. Yes, fishing, where the fishing is an important occupation. In which city, in which areas the fishing is important? Yes, in the coastal areas fishing is an important occupation, and fish is staple food for many of the people. Yes, even from fish what we get oils and other products from fish. And fishes are sometimes reared in big tanks, where the fishes are stored in big tanks. And fish, if we are eating fish, that is good for our health. But some of them are not eating, it is not necessary them to eat. But fish we can eat because we get many proteins and oil from fish. Okay children, now I will show you the next slide. What is this? Mining. Mining is another occupation that is important for our country. Now what is meant by mining? Mining involves digging or drilling out minerals such as iron. What mining means? What? When we dig means what? Khodna. And when we are drilling out minerals, what we get from that? From earth, from inside the earth, what types of minerals we are getting? We are getting iron, coal, manganese and petroleum. From when your papa mama is going to office with the from where they are going? Where they might be going from car, might be going from bike. But for what it is required? Yes, petroleum is required. They fill the petrol, then only the bike can start or car can start. That's why from where do we get petroleum? from inside the earth. That's why mining involves. Mining is an important occupation in our country. As you can see in the picture, what are the mining process have shown in the picture. Sorry. Yeah, next is over. Next one. Understood, children? What is meant by farming, rearing animals, and mining, how the people they are growing crops. Yes, now let us solve some question answers. Yes, are you ready for that? Okay. Now children, tell me, what is the main occupation of the people of India? Just now only I told you what is the main occupation of people in India. What is the main occupation of the people of India? Just now only we have discussed. Come on children, give me the answer. Yes, what will be the answer? Let's see. Yeah, farming is the main occupation of the people in villages of India. Again I will repeat, farming is the main occupation of the people in villages of India. Understood? Okay, now let's see next page. In the next page we will solve again some question answers. Okay children? Now we are going to solve. Give one word for the following. Now tell me, farming of animal. What is the answer? Farming of animal. Give me the answer. Yes, cattle farming. Next question. Digging out of minerals. From where do we get minerals? Just now only have discussed with you. Yes, from mining. Let's see the answer. Yes, mining is the correct answer. Next question. Rearing of hens and ducks. Tell me, rearing of hens and ducks, which farming we can say? Just now only I have discussed. Just now give me the answer. Maybe poultry farming. Yes, answer is poultry farming. Next question. Rearing of fish in big tanks. What is known as rearing of fishing in big tanks? Where we are keeping fish in big tank, that is known as, give me the answer. Yes, that is known as fish farming. Yes, what is the answer? Fish farming. Now let us see the next question. Now tell me, what are the uses of wood? In the previous session we have learned. What are the uses of wood, children? Wood is used to make furniture, packing boxes, matchbox, matchstick, paper and cardboard, and to build homes. Understood? Okay. Now let's see the next question. Next page. Yeah. Now I will show you some animation of this lesson. Are you ready? Okay.
From the field to the shop. Many of the goods you buy from shops, like clothes and tea, began their journeys in a field far away. Raw materials like cotton are grown in the farms and then processed in the factories to make finished goods. The finished goods are then transported to the shops from where we buy them. A cotton plant is grown by a farmer. After plucking the balls of cotton from the plant, the cotton is cleaned and the seeds are removed. The cleaned cotton is pressed together and made into dense bundles. The farmers then sell this cotton to a merchant, who in turn sells it to a textile factory. At the factory, the cotton is spun into yarn or threads. This is then woven to make cloth. We buy this cloth from the shops. are plucked in a tea garden. Then they are left in a room to dry. The dried leaves are then processed and packed in boxes. The trucks transport the goods to the shops for being sold.
Yes, children, understood this animation, what they have told regarding how goods they are making goods and they are providing in the factories, how we get tea or how we get coffee beans or leaves or means cotton, how it is there we have seen in this animation. Now children, let us solve some interactive task. Are you ready? Okay. Now tell me children, what we are going to do now? We are going to click on the correct option. We are going to click on the right option and we are going to press done. Okay. Now let's see the first question. Work that helps people earn a livelihood is called. Now also we have discussed this point. Tell me what will be the answer. First option is farming and second option is an occupation. Give me the answer children. To earn a livelihood is known as what? Yes, of course, it is called an occupation. Let's click on the done option. Yes. What they are saying, your answer is right. Now come to next question. Rearing animals for milk is called. Yes, tell me, where is the rearing animal for milk is called? What we can say? First option is cattle farming and second option is dairy farming. Tell me, from where do we get milk? Yes, of course, from dairy farming. If we do done, what will be the answer? What they are saying, your answer is right. Next question. Rearing hens, ducks and geese for their meat and egg is called, which farming they called? Dairy farming or poultry farming? Give me the answer children. Yes, the answer is poultry farming. Let's see whether the answer is correct or wrong.
Your is right.
Yes, they are saying your answer is right. Now come to the next question. Digging out minerals from the earth is called dash. What we can say, from where do we get minerals? From the earth. But that minerals from where we get, that is known as what? Tell me, mining or industry? I think, children, give me the answer. Yes, I think it might be mining. Let's see. Click on mining. We will do the answer done.
Your is right.
Yes. Next question. We get diesel and plastic from petroleum or mining? Yes, we get diesel and plastic from petroleum.
Your is right.
Very good. Now children, give me the answer. A building where goods are made is called a, give me the answer, factory or mine? From where do we, a building where goods are made is called? You can see the big building. That building is known as mine or factory. A option is factory and B option is mine. Now come on, tell me, from where do we get good made from? In which building? Yes, I think the answer might be a factory. Let's see if answer is correct or wrong. Now we will click on that option.
You have completed the activity.
What they are saying, yippee, you have completed the activity. Okay. Now again let's see some interactive task. Now children, what you are going to do? What you are going to do in this? Yeah, what job do these people do? Now you are going to recognize the picture, which type of job they are doing. As I told you, many of them want to do different types of job. Job is nothing but the occupation. Type in your answer in the given box and press done. Now let's see what is the first picture. Give me the answer, children. What will be the first picture and what will be the first answer? Which picture you can see? Give me the answer. Yes. What is the first picture? First picture is of postman. Now let us write here postman. What is the spelling of postman? P-O-S-T-M-A-N. What is the occupation? Which type of job this person is doing? As a postman. Now tell me which is the second picture. Give me the answer. Yes, second picture is of astronaut. Now let us write here astronaut. What is the spelling of astronaut? A-S-T-R-O-N-A-U-T. What is this? Astronaut. Now give me the answer of next picture. What you can see in the next picture? Which is the next picture? Which type of job this man is doing? Person is doing? Yes, I think it might be fireman. Let us type fireman. What will be the answer? Firefighter. We can say fireman as a firefighter. What is spelling of fire? F-I-R-E, fire. And what is the spelling of fighter? F-I-G-H-T-E-R. Firefighter. Now next picture, what you can see? You can say as a cook as well as you can say as a chef. But the proper word for cook is chef. Instead of writing cook, we will write here chef. What is the spelling of chef? C-H-E. Again I will write C-H-E-F. Chef. Now next picture, what you can see? Oh, someone is hiding you. Someone is back of you. For that person, what we can say? We can say them as a detective. Now tell me the spelling of detective. D-E-T-E-C-T-I-V-E. Detective. Now next picture is of what? He want to make a big poster. He want to draw varieties of drawing. For that person, what we can say? He's making a... In the picture, what you can see? A boy. He's working as an architect. He want to make some designs for us. What is this? Architect. A-R-C-H-I-T-E-C-T. Architect. Now already we have wrote here the answer. First picture is of postman, second picture is of astronaut, third one is firefighter, fourth one is chef, fifth one you can see as a detective, and last one is as a architect. Now let's see whether answer is correct or wrong. Now I will click on the option done. Yes, clap for yourself. Yes, we have solved a correct answer. Okay children. Now already we have solved. We have seen some presentation. Question answer solving part. Even we have discussed about I have shown you some animation, and we have solved many types of question answers, interactive task also we have done. Now in the next session, what we will do? We will solve some textbook exercise. Let's solve some textbook exercise in the next session. Okay children. Now till that time, what we are going to do? I am going to give you the homework. Now what you are going to do? You are going to open your Canopy textbook. What you are going to open your Canopy textbook, and what you are going to do? You are going to open your page number 49 and you are going to read your lesson number 8, that is our occupation. Only you are going to read this lesson again, and you have to learn hard words, and till that time we will see till today what we have done. We have solved some question answers, and even we have seen some animation video, even we have solved some interactive task. And in the next session, let's see about exercise, about textbook exercise. Till that time, bye bye, see you.